So I was on my way back down through the canyon, and it started to rain. So you see here, see all that? Yeah, that's what I'm under right now. However, so yeah, that's silver back there underneath the bridge. It's not raining very hard, but the canyon, yeah, it's pretty twisty. So, you know, I didn't want to go down there through a whole bunch of rain, but it looks like it's clearing up. That's what it looks like where I'm going. So yeah, it looks like it's going to clear up a little bit. I'm just going to wait it out here because I really don't want to get down there with all those big trucks and stuff in those tight twisties and on that wet pavement. So we'll see. I'll keep you informed. Okay. All right. Stick with me. So I stopped for the rain, and it seems to have passed pretty much. I'm not adverse to riding in the rain, but it really does not make for good filming. So I got a wheel cam too, so that's going to make a difference. And I hope the road spray doesn't interfere with that too much. I was hoping the roads would dry up a little bit. We'll see. And let's ride. It's 48 degrees out, which is a little chilly, especially with the rain. You can see over there it's cleared up a little bit, but the rain here sometimes comes in bands. It usually doesn't last a long time, but you know, it's not unusual to get caught in the rain here. And as you can see, it took maybe 45 minutes for the roads to dry up at the most, you know, with traffic on them. So we're westbound on I-70 through Glenwood Canyon. There's some sunshine. There's No Name. That's odd. It's 36 degrees. So we're going over a high mountain pass. I've been going through this rain like this 75 miles, but it's been raining like this, just constant spray from the cars in front of me. And as you can see, yeah, we're way up in the mountains here, and it's really cold, it's really wet, and there's clouds.